Kublai phi baro shaka thup khubor jungi kadan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentaka singi kilong. Pensyai ka MLA Congress hakapor babyang enrai ban kenti ne ban ne haju. Ngidei ban kener laki kiti ban yarap iki bangat hakajing sha lungshop hakibor maryang ong uba kermen Shillong. Daki belien mi ginong malangkona West Khasi Hills ban persya badra ya kajing soy jaka hapadeng ki Jylla sha Supreme Court. Ban Shongshit Kalumpung ya lekai district level inter-school athletic meet Arpuar Hanongpo. Tumantang ni apaj ki Khubor ki bakambanya. Ka MLA jo ka Shillong East ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo wala kampen pau shai la kan ne ha ka Congress ni kan thi no shakiwe ba ki party haswa ka election MLA ka Bansalong House nam Arpulai kala shuong ben bayakate ka benta ka shania hakinong kershan. Ketika MLA ka badan mentah ka jingsha sospon haka Congress rengkat ki samut ki wepat ki MLA habakan bakila pathai Khubor kalaong bai ketika rai ka bakhadu kansashim endara de ka por banje de ka seng ka babiang.
You have 8 months to elections, so your suspension remains for 3.5 years. So this is the interesting noting to be made. Very strange. So we cannot go back to the Congress, I presume, since they've suspended us for 3.5 years to take the ticket. But the question is that surely we will not remain at home if our supporters still want us to be their representatives. So we will take a future course of action as and when the time is right. The Congress party has not freed us. They have not given us any freedom. They are trying to create complications for us, but it doesn't matter. That is something they're trying to do. We are in a democratic system wherein suspended MLAs can choose to remain suspended. We choose to remain suspended. Speculations about where we're going, we leave that to our supporters because all 5 of us are in conversation with our respective supporters. Nothing is to be said officially. We await the expulsion, but if the expulsion is never going to happen, then let's see, after 3.5 years we may rejoin the Congress. But in between comes an election. Where we go to the election will be our choice.
Kajingjur ulabba ba kajing tua khendo habon ki jaka hakini ki khendiat sngi kala poi shadu uput ba ka Jylla ka sakhi ka jingsha penjular ka ba shar khei bha la ka long adu ki yeng ki sem ki jingri jingdum ki lengkharap barwat ki men sim breru kila do e la ka jingim habakran be kila pathai Khubor menteri ka tana disaster management uba kerman Shillong ulayat hu ba wat lajan baro ki district ki shakta henrei ka ba khamjur e de ka East Khasi Hills bat ka Ribhoi district.
So it's really sad to see that in these 2 days, especially the 13th and the 16th, that we lost a few lives. And I believe that, and I would like to urge the people of our state that to be alert when it comes in this monsoon season, because we have witnessed every year, almost every year, that we lost some life. So I believe that if all of us be alert and then try to help each other, especially when there is a need of somebody for our helping hand, I would like to request, don't just wait for the government or the departments or the concerned authority. You be the authority at the time so that you can give your helping hand, and then the time will come that even we also will try to reach out, because there are times that we cannot reach as early as those persons who are nearby. So I would like to urge everyone that please be kind and then be helpful to those who are in need of us. And I have a list out here which we have seen in these 2 days, the 13th and the 16th of May. East Khasi Hills and Ribhoi are the 2 districts which are affected the most. And even in other part of the state also, in different districts, we have seen and we have heard that there are incidents happen.
Henin ka sengi ka khan riu terik ujemang arhajar arpoar ka kenhun joga Joint Action Committee Border of Meghalaya hapo ka jingalam jonguba Erwin Case im sutenga kumu chairman kilalit her shaka shnong Malangkona West Khasi Hills District ka badon hakaput bat ka jila Assam banya kendu iginong shong shnong jong ka than ban penlong ka jingalang patba banyakran halor ka Memorandum of Understanding lani ka MOU hakaba ki ar menteri rangba ka jila Meghalaya bat Assam kiladat bansoi. Hakate ka jingalang lawan banya shimbanta bat kershan lang daki kenhun seng bhalang bapher ki baken thup ya ka MPSO HANM Motion Road Circle ka GSU ka FKJGP lembat ki ki kenhun seng bhalang ki bana keleng ka Garo Hills ki riu rangba lembat ki palba nong shong shnong kumju ki ba marjan bat kate ka shnong
hima meliam transfer kini ki area only for administrative convenience mentau Assam mula poi hang ni area ke jemi kadon hang ni Assam mula poi hang ni mutapi ong pada give and take ni give ya kaju ka saka we are giving our own place we are taking our own place so that whatever they are deciding that 18 point something square kilometer which they have decided that 34 square kilometer which they have decided that is all Meghalaya nothing more than that the namar kata kadao ni happen lectures pun sebenarnya pilai yang tu begini ki baik nang ni ai ka san ka begini lectures pun mana mesti melang ya kan bagi perlu tidak saya hero dikira orang yang wanra nak kesalahan dan bagi indai tentang ni wanra ikut kesalahan impai di notification yang betul impai di maps di barem dia Islam apa impai kalau punya dah kakis ni hab optimius dia orang kata ketika itu keputusan kebar kan lai ba ngide banyo ikan dulu direction dari central government nomor boleh ani kaji kali jong ke article 263 dah ada question of article 263 is there where an interstate council has to be set up you cannot do it like this is not the correct way.
Ubanan marak UMDC joka BJP na tura mentaka sengi haka jingelang joki nongkit kam ka BJP hadalu uloong ba kinong penya joki parmau hadalu kila penkenya ka hukum joka Supreme Court. Katkum ka jingla ute UMDC kitrok kikit palat ya ka laipo metric ton ki mau bandamar kata kila penjulor len ya ka surok na dalu. Nalor kata ute UMDC uloong bagi jingking badan hakate ka juhi ka surok kilaban shan tang arphoe metric ton ka jingkhia hendrai ki trok pat kikit hado laipo metric ton. Kumta ulama haman penshitom me gitu baro ki badan benta hakane ka kam bamsap laki de kinong penyat ni ki GDC ni ki NGO bapher daga ba kinlet mudui persha yaki shaka court.
ये छक कुंदम को बक्तम
जा ओ छक कुंदम को नंगी जा ओ जमा आदे छक कुंदम खबा दे हा पूरा खासे रामा अनु ये छक कुंदम पा ओ दे मेरे किसने चक्र को ना पंग को कल kai pan pa na छक कुंदम को नंगी जा
ka district level inter-school athletic meet arhajar arpoar kabala penya da ka office u district sport officer Ribhoi district kala sedang mentaka singi ka khannyau tarik ujemang hamadan NSCA paham sim nongpo kani ka lumpung kala sedang mentaka singi batkan kut haka khat khandai tarik ujemang arhajar arpoar lawan bane shimbenta kumba arpoar teli ki school bapher ki badan hapo ka district hakani kasngi lawan banya sakhi da deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district u arpit upadhyay kumu kongsan haka jingen don rengkat u SP ka Ribhoi u Giri Prasad kumu sembut kongsan u president ka Ribhoi district sports association u ba RB Shadap u DSO ka Ribhoi district u ba body nongbet lembat kiwe
I think better quality sport to emerge as a sport person from this level only. Apart from this, not just for fitness and all, fitness and good health, it is also important for sports. It generates a feeling of team spirit, a feeling of confidence, touching high levels. It boosts your confidence. So I would like to say that these kind of events, I think we should happen very regularly, and I'm sure our sports officer who is very enthusiastic about these things will keep on doing, will keep on organizing things like this, events like this, so that we keep meeting again and again, and we can nurture the young budding talents since their school times only.
Pada kitugi khubor ngila poy syaka bakun, tar hadu bangin ya syambiang kublai shibun.